Okay, now that I have a speaker, it's time to go pay for it. Hello!
Is this what you need?
Yes, this is what I need.
Okay, that will be $500. Cash or card?
I'm paying with cash. Here it is.
Thank you for paying.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Okay, now I just have to set up the speaker and connect it to my phone. Okay, now let's turn it on in 3, 2, 1. Now.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop.
Guys. It's not what it looks like. Me, Doris, Caillou, Rosie, and Classic Rosie are tired of this. You hurt Classic Rosie's ears. And... Oh. Classic Caillou. How dare you blast out loud music at 3 a.m. and woke everybody up. That's it.
That's it. You are grounded for 1,234,567,890 days. Go to your room now.
Wah.